I'm just gonna do a little like short introduction and like outro for this video, just not to like start it off like really like straight into business. But anyway, I'm gonna show you in this video how to make this kind of like a roughly layered skirt. Hi darlings, so I'm doing the multi-layered skirt for a dress. So basically I have the lining piece kinda, so I have 4 of those, sorry my toes, and 5 of the like colorful like top layer strips, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is that the length of the colorful is like almost like around twice as much as this is gonna be. And then I'm gonna like gather this, and then I'm gonna attach it to the top part of the lining strip. So yeah, I'm gonna show it how I'm gonna do it. If it like doesn't make sense now, hopefully it will do, or like it does make sense in a few minutes or so for you. But yeah, that's like the plan. I'll move on to sewing. Okay, so I have ruffled all of the pieces, and the pink one I already sewed together. So basically it's just sewn right sides towards the same direction. So right side, or like wrong side against right side, I guess, here. And I'm gonna do the same step for all of the 3 pieces, and then I will kind of join together all the ruffles. All right, so now we're done with the like attaching. So basically what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna attach these like this. So this is the right side of the lining, so we're just gonna attach the right side of the ruffle to the edge like this. I am going to do like a multi-parter, like how to, I don't know, like how to make Lolita dresses, I guess, like a kind of like a video series where I show like different construction phases of making Lolita dresses, because I have done like two-part how to sew a JSK video, but that was very kind of like overview video of how to make it. So I'm gonna make like break it down kind of like into multiple parts, and I'm gonna deep dive into making certain like more demanding construction parts of like the dresses, and yeah, I'm gonna share them with you. I'm not really sure about the like schedule of publishing the videos. I'm just gonna like drop one video every now and then. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and without further ado, we will see you in the next one. Bye!